Hi guys, it's Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing for you guys the Bioderma Purifying Cleansing Foaming Gel. Bioderma is a French skincare brand which is known especially for its revolutionary product, which was the H2O micellar water or the makeup remover that they have. I think a lot of people have used it and people actually love that product. I've seen people purchase it again and again, so it is a very popular product for most of the skincare buffs. And if you don't mind spending a little bit more for premium products, I think this is the brand that you should look after. So I got my hands on their cleansing foaming gel, which is again a very popular product. This is supposed to be like a proper cleansing foam which helps both combination to oily skin types. So this is for all skin types. This retails for ₹1575 for 200 ml of products. So of course you're paying more than 1500 bucks for a cleansing foam. The packaging is like super cute. It's like a matte color product, and also there was a seal over here, so it's completely sealed when you get it, so it doesn't leak. But once you open it up, it's just like a normal tube. This product is a paraben free product and also hypoallergenic, so you're not supposed to have any allergies from this product. This is a made in France product and it says that it is supposed to cleanse and purify your skin without drying it off, which is great for winters. And because I have a very dry skin, that is the biggest problem for me. It says it is a non-cosmetogenic. It helps you maintain balance, the pH balance of your skin. At the same time, the patented natural DAF complex raises the skin's tolerance threshold, which is good. This is the first time I'm using it since I got the product in my hand. I didn't buy this product. I got it from Bioderma, but not for a review. I kind of just got it as a gift. So I thought, why not use it in front of you guys and also experience it myself and tell you guys my experience. For the instructions, it says apply on wet skin, work into a foam, rinse well and gently dry. Use morning and evening. Can be used as a shaving foam as well. Okay, that is something I didn't expect. It means this is supposed to foam that well. So let's see how much it works out. There are a lot of different chemicals in it ingredient wise, but it says there is no coloring in it, no artificial coloring, no parabens, so great for that. Anyway, let's go ahead and try this out. I don't have any makeup on my skin, I just have a little lipstick and that's it. Okay, so I've wet my face enough, so this is it. Let me just put a little bit of the product. Okay, this is a completely gel based product, as you guys can see, and it just is like a little bluish in color, very liquidy. It's almost like water, very liquidy. I'm just going to put it across my face everywhere. I don't think you need too much of it because it's pretty liquidy. As you guys can see, it's forming up a lather here. So I'm done with putting it all over my face, and you guys can see there's a lather, but it's like a very translucent lather. I thought it would be a little more thick, but this is very light. Like, I don't even feel I have anything on my skin. It's that light. First thing, the fragrance is almost like a shaving cream kind of smell or a shaving gel. It's almost like a very subtle version of the Old Spice smell. That's why I know why it can be used as a shaving foam. So it just smells like that. It's not bad, it's not very out on the face, it's a very subtle smell, so I'm alright with it. It's pretty fresh, has a very aqua tone smell here. Foam itself is like not too much, it's like very light foam, so I'm kind of surprised. I thought it would be like a big thick lather, but it's not, it's very light. The gel itself is like super duper light, it was like literally liquid. Let me just go ahead, wash my face and come back and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I just washed my face and oh my god, this has to be one of the most luxurious way I've ever felt about a cleansing foam or gel. Like, this is a super duper light. Texture of the foam is amazing. It's very light. Even when you have it on your hand just like that, it's like flowing like water, so you need to quickly use it. Once you're using it, the lather is like very light, translucent lather, nothing thick, very light weight kind of a thing. You don't even feel like you have anything on your face. And now when you go and wash it, it literally takes you 2 seconds to wash this cleansing foam off, which is like, oh my god, I never even expected that way. Because I know times when there are like cleansers or face washes which are not that soapy. They're very lightweight, but then when you try to wash them, it takes so much water and time. This one has an incredible formula. I love this. The formula is amazing. I love how my face looks like absolutely glowing. I have not even a speck of makeup here, not even a base makeup, a powder or cream. I haven't even moisturized my face, and my face is not dry at all. With me, the biggest problem with cleansers is whenever I wash my face, it immediately starts getting dry, because I have a very dry to combination skin. So these parts are like terribly dry and this part is oily. But oh my god, if you guys can see, my face is not dry at all. I only have a lipstick on, that's it. So no dryness. Amazing. I absolutely love this. I know why it's expensive now. This works wonders. Literally, it works so well on my skin. I think I will be using it regularly now. If you are okay with spending a little more on skincare, and if you don't mind spending a little more for premium skincare, this one is a definite buy. This one is highly recommended, and for this I will be rating it a 9 out of 10. Guys, with that, we're done with today's video. Hope you guys really liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please press on the bell icon below to get a regular notification every time I upload a video. I'll also be linking down all my social media accounts in the description box below, along with the link for purchasing this product in case you liked it so much with the video. And with that, we're done with today. Hope you guys have a fabulous week ahead. Ciao.